Dimensions, it means what are the power raised on a fundamental quantity to obtain the drive unit of that physical quantity. That power is called dimensions. Suppose we have to find out density, unit of density. So we get this unit by suitable arrangement of fundamental or base quantity. That we know that density, mass per unit volume, mass unit m, kg in SI unit is kg, volume lbh, that is again fundamental unit is length, so multiplication of length. So dimension of the density comes to be ml minus 3, or completely we written ml minus 3 t0. So we can say that dimension have 1 in terms of mass, minus 3 in length and 0 in time. Dimension of density. Okay. So dimension means what are the power raised on a fundamental quantity. Here we have taken 3 fundamental quantity lbh. We taken 3 fundamental quantity, length, mass and time. And for other quantity there may be, we know that there is a 7 fundamental units. So by this suitable arrangement of fundamental quantity we can get unit of any physical quantity. So by what exponent power fundamental quantity has raised, that power is called dimension. Okay? Now see about the dimensional formula, that is, as you know from the nomenclature, this is the formula which express how and which fundamental quantity represent the dimension of a physical quantity. Just suppose dimension formula volume, that will be m0 l3 t0. Now when this formula is equated with the physical quantity, then it becomes a dimensional equation. Left side LHS and RHS both comes when dimensional formula equated with the physical quantity, then it becomes a dimensional equation. Now on the basis of dimension, we can divide the whole physical quantity into 4 categories. First one will be dimensional variables. It means those variables which has dimension also. It has dimension as well as variables. Their value changes as well as have dimension. So that will be called dimensional variable. This area, that is varying on area ka dimensions, that has to be equal to L square, having 2 dimension in length, volume 3 dimension in length, velocity 1 dimension in length or minus 1 in time. Okay? So that will becomes dimensional variable. Dimensionless variables, it means that one is variable but have no dimension. For examples, when we take about angle, that is a ratio of 2 sides, so it has no dimension, but it has variable, its value changes. Suppose when we see any plane that is moving in the sky, we raise our heads, so angle of elevation, by changing the angle of elevation we can locate its position at different points. So here angle goes on changing, but it is had no dimension, so that will becomes dimensionless variables. Similarly, third one, dimensional constant. It means that is constant quantity but has dimensions. The gravitational constant, we have find out its dimension, but it has constant quantity. It is universal constant, its value is universal constant. And last, fourth one is a dimensionless constant. These are the quantity having no dimension, constant but have no dimension. pi exponent on any numerals value. Suppose we have taken 25. It has no dimensions, constant quantity and no dimension. So whole quantity has been divided into 4 parts. Now what are the usage of that dimensions? Okay. We will see that there are 3 basically usage. First one is to convert one system of unit into another one. Second one is to say that to establish the relation among different physical quantity, and third one will be to check the um, correctness of a given equation, whether the equation is dimensionally correct or not. We can check it. Okay, these are the usage. There are so many limitations of this one. It is based only first we can say that it is based only the fundamental units. If any quantity um, which is not based on fundamental units, then we cannot find out its dimensions. Secondly, it has no dimension of any constant quantity. It has no dimension information about any ratio, trigonometrical ratio or any ratio. It has no information. So these are the limitations. So next day, in next class, we will see about the what are the application of dimensional equations. We will try to solve some problems based on its and limitation in details. Thanks.